The passing of the International Day for Disaster Reduction is a time when we could all come together to reflect on what we individually need to do to make the OECS more resilient, not only in terms of economic but human resilience. The OECS Commission is promoting a comprehensive approach to resilience building in the Caribbean, which addresses economic, social, and environmental threats. The science is beyond dispute. Climate change is contributing the tragic rise in human and economic losses in the OECS from extreme weather events. All across the Caribbean and in other small island developing states and low and middle income countries, climate change as but one contributing factor to increase disaster-led weather events are undermining efforts to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals and are depriving governments of funds to spend on health, education, social protection, and other important public needs. The implications of disasters on free movement and mobility in the region are increasingly clear in the wake of Hurricanes Irma and Maria, and we are working to ensure the free movement of persons to safe havens in times of need. Economic losses from disasters puts a brake on our sustainable human and economic development. The Commission will continue to work with our multi-stakeholders, including local government, civil society, private sector, to ensure that the region becomes more resilient, and in so doing, a better future prevails for all citizens across the OECS.